Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all your reposts on TikTok at once. However, it's important to note that at the time of recording, TikTok does not provide a feature to bulk delete all reposts. Despite this, I will show you what you can do to address this and how to manage your reposts effectively. Start by opening the TikTok app on your device. From the home screen, go to your profile by tapping the profile button located in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the three lines or menu icon. A pop-up menu will appear. Select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you reach the Support and About section. Tap on Report a Problem. On the next screen, select any topic. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as this step is just to get to the feedback section. After selecting a topic, scroll to the bottom of the screen where you'll see a question asking if your issue has been resolved. Tap the thumbs down button labeled No. This will reveal an option called Need More Help? Go ahead and press this button. You'll now be taken to TikTok's help desk, where you can send a message to their support team. Write a message politely requesting assistance with deleting all your reposts. For example, you could say something like, "Hi, please, can you help me to delete all my reposts? Thank you." Once you send this message, TikTok's support team will reply. Typically, they will acknowledge your feedback and let you know that the ability to delete reposts in bulk is a feature they are considering for future updates. In the meantime, they will provide you with instructions on how to delete reposts manually, one by one. If you want to remove a single reposted video, follow their guide, which usually involves navigating to the reposted video, tapping the Share button, and selecting the Remove Repost option. Unfortunately, you'll need to repeat this process for each reposted video you wish to delete until TikTok introduces a bulk deletion feature. While this might not be the most convenient solution, it's currently the only way to delete all reposts on TikTok. I hope this explanation helps you understand how to manage your reposts effectively. Thank you for watching.